that time again. My nature box came in the mail. I did open it nice, but I got this little snack box little thing. And yeah, so let's open this buddy up and show you what I got. Alright. So, on here it says I got the cherry berry, bonsai, Big Island pineapple, dark chocolate noms, blueberry noms, and coconut cashews. Well, I already opened the Big Island pineapple, which, what's that? It says there's just nothing quite like the fruity bite of tangy pineapple for a sweet ending to meal. Snack on one of two rings, better yet, garnish your homemade tropical drinks with the half rings or Big Apple Island. And this is really good. Next is the dark chocolate Nom Noms. So they're oatmeal things. Back at the desk after lunch and start craving some light, sweet ending the meal you just polished off. Slide open your desk drawer and grab a bag of Nom Noms that you stored away. Rolled oats and sweetened with a touch of chocolate. Yum! And I also have the blueberry kind. And then I have this cherry berry, but bonsai something. Between getting the kids ready for school and making it to the office on time, having this thing with yogurt is good. Cranberries, cherries, and blueberries. And then, of course, my favorite, which I have not gotten for a couple months because they get out of them, is the coconut cashews. You're whisking dark chocolate into the softly slimming milk and saucepan while thinking of curling up the favorite book. But before you do that, get the coconut cashews, my favorite. And I think I'm going to eat one of these next. So, yep. And that is it. So, again, you get 5 snacks with this little book and this. And yep. We could probably get a thing.
I'm going to promote you in the company to my design assistant.
I like the sound of that. I'm already preparing my business card.
And I can share them with you guys. So there's 4 of these little items. So I'm probably going to go to the nature invite thing and invite some of my friends. So, thank you for watching. See you next month. Bye.